If you were waiting for Apple to release AR glasses, there's no reason to wait because these are ready to go with your iPhone 14 now. I was super excited to try these out because I saw other people use these with Android phones like the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and the Oppo Find X5 Pro, but today I partnered with Nreal to show you the Apple compatibility with this little magic adapter. So this is going to give me the power of augmented reality across my iPhones, iPads, and MacBooks, so today I'm going to share my experience with you. The cool thing is now the Nreal Air is available on Amazon, and the first 500 to order get a cool gift as well. To use it with Apple products, you need the Nreal adapter and the Lightning to AV adapter sold separately, so I will leave it all linked down below so you can check out current pricing. So you might be wondering, why in the world would I need anything like this? And to be honest with you, I was thinking the exact same thing, but watching content on a 6.7-inch display and then experiencing something on a 130-inch display is totally different, and this AR display looks so much sharper than I ever imagined. So if you like watching movies, TV shows, or even gaming, you need to pay attention because this is next level stuff. What I like about the Nreal Air glasses is, unlike virtual reality where you're pretty much restricted to use it at home so you don't look like a robot in public, these look more like regular glasses, so I wouldn't look weird wearing them on a plane. They are lightweight, so I find them fairly comfortable, which I appreciate. The reason why these are so light is because they don't have a battery built in. They draw power off the device that is connected to, so that's just one less thing to charge. The design is simple, not a lot to learn. There is a power button and a volume rocker on the right side, and you also have a built-in speaker for each side, and this will do for some quick audio and it sounds decent, but for the best experience I would use Bluetooth headphones. There's a proximity sensor in the middle so it knows when it's on your face, a removable nose pad which you can switch out so you can get the most comfortable fit and focus viewing angle, which you can also achieve with the adjustable hinge here. You have 3 different choices, and a USB-C port on the end where the cable plugs into, and that's pretty much it. Very minimal, which I like. I didn't have to use these, but if you wear prescription lenses, you can also use this. It comes inside the box, and you also get this, which we will talk about in just a second. I've been mostly using this with my iPhone 14 Pro Max and my MacBook Pro so I can test out the Apple compatibility, but I also used it with the Galaxy S22 Ultra as well, so I'll talk about that in just a minute. But let me show you just how easy it is to hook this up to the iPhone and iPad. All you have to do is take this HDMI portion off of the Nreal adapter and then attach Apple's Lightning to AV adapter and then plug that into the iPhone, and that's literally it. Just plug and play and you will see a mirrored image right away, so everything that is on my iPhone 14 Pro Max is literally right there. Every app, streaming service, games, it's all there, so there's no learning curve. And what's amazing about AR is I can see everything around me, so when I'm in my house, I don't have to worry about tripping or running into things. I can see everything. The best way to describe it is it's just like wearing sunglasses with that big screen overlaid in front of me, moving along with me. The screen does get surprisingly bright in an indoor environment. You will be able to see things crisp and clear, but remember these things that I showed you earlier? If I'm using these in bright sunlight or I'm safely sitting down, I can pop these on and they will give me this blacked out virtual reality experience, so it's like having both in one set, which is amazing. I have young kids running around the house, so finding time to catch up on YouTube, videos, social media, movies and shows, I literally just have to watch it on my phone, which isn't a bad experience at all because the iPhone 14 Pro Max has an amazing screen. But for parents, this is a cheat code because I can put the Nreal Airs on when the kids go to sleep, connect my AirPods Pro 2, and then I'm watching everything through this large display. It's almost like having a personal movie theater no matter where I'm at. So parents, this is a super cool experience, and there's nothing like catching up on social media on a giant display while you can see everything going on around you. I also tried this on my M1 Ultra MacBook Pro, and what's great about this is you need nothing else. Just plug this right into one of the USB-C ports and it just starts working right away. The Nreal Air mirrors your Mac display and you have this huge canvas to work with. I found myself using this out in my backyard early in the morning to catch up on my emails, and it's such a different experience. Now, while I can't use this to color grade my footage in Final Cut Pro, The two 1080p micro OLED displays provide a crisp enough experience for me to cut up a project in 90Hz and it looks smooth. I actually tried this at a coffee shop and it actually helped my posture, being able to look straight instead of looking down. I've never edited a video like this before and it's a very different experience. You need to try it to see what it's really like because video won't translate to what it's like in real life. And not everyone can relate, but I was able to join a business meeting in public that had some stuff in it that was embargoed. While I'm on these things, I'm always afraid that people will look over at my screen, but not with the Nreal Air glasses. I just put the lid down on my laptop so no one can see what's going on, so that ultimate privacy is awesome. I'm also looking forward to taking these on my next flight because I edit video on the go all the time and the people next to me and the row behind me always looking at what I'm editing, so I'm looking forward to that privacy, and I didn't even think about this as a feature until I started using them, so this is a major win. The next killer experience is gaming, and we're all used to just playing games on the phone or a console, and I have a lot of games on my iPhone, and once I put these on, wow, what an immersive experience. This is the way to casually game. I played so many different games on this because I just couldn't stop playing it. The Nreal adapter opens up all types of gaming experiences with this HDMI port. You can use Xbox Game Pass with cloud gaming connected to an Xbox controller to take your library on the road with you. Or you can connect it to a PlayStation or Xbox if you want for the cool console gaming experience, or take the power of the Steam Deck and supersize the display no matter where you are. So this is the thing that I want to try next on the airplane as well. And also I played a little bit of Mario Kart on this too on my Switch, and while I can't show you the gameplay due to the licensing and all that jazz, gaming is so freaking cool on this. One of the big reasons to buy this in my opinion. While I know this won't be for everyone, what I like is that it is so versatile. The Nreal Air is so small and fits in this little case, and it will fit into a bag with no issue. And it's like having a personal movie theater with you wherever you go. I have so many movies and TV shows to catch up on. I can't wait to sit down and just watch Netflix. Tech season's been a little wild and it's starting to calm down now, so this Nreal Air is about to get tons of usage. The mirrored experience is already amazing, but when you use the Nreal Air with an Android device, that's when you see its true potential. This is not quite plug and play, but it's super easy. You just need to download the Nebula app to get started, and then you get this choice between AR mode and mirrored mode, which is cool. But check out this AR mode. This gives you an expanded panoramic view of a ton of different web applications and some built-in apps. And when you move your head, this all tracks with you, so this is really that futuristic experience that I had in mind. Here you have a choice between modes, but I was seeing that you can expand up to 5 different windows here, so this is like a mini version of Minority Report here, so I can see the potential in this. There's also a mode called Waterfall Web Browsing, which allows this huge vertical web page where you can track your head up and down, so no need to scroll really, you just naturally move as you read. And I love how you can move the screen back if it's too close to make it smaller, or make it up close and get that full 200 plus inches like an IMAX theater. So I can't wait for the software to expand so we can pick exactly what apps and windows can go where. I can see huge potential in this for productivity, so this is the future in my opinion. This is the reason why Apple's rumored to be working on this same type of technology, but there is no reason to wait because the Nreal Air is real now and it's here, and it's a very cool experience. If you have any questions about the Nreal Air, let me know in the comment section below and I will do my best to answer them. If you want to try one out, hit the link down below to check current pricing because you never know when these things will go on sale. Thumbs up for new technology, subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.